When we think about wood versus composite decks, wood with great maintenance, meaning refurnishing or restaining every 3 to 4 years, we have a life expectancy of about 15 to 20 years, which is great for a wood deck. Composite decking, with the way that it's installed and with the manufacturer's warranties, are lasting us 25 to 35 years before you start worrying about aging or fading of color. We all know how the weather is. We know that it's lots of sunshine. We know we have crazy snowstorms. We know we have hail, every other element, the traffic that we put on our decks, the foot traffic we put on our decks, the furniture, all of that. Composite decking allows you not to be concerned with how much of a beating your deck would take, like if you had a wood surface deck. When we think about the value of the home and the value add to that, you always know that if you're going with a composite decking, that adds more value to your home.